Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check the intermediate steering shaft on your car or your truck. I have a 1989 Wrangler here that we're going to demonstrate this on, but you can apply this basic automotive knowledge to pretty much any car or truck that you have. Granted, recently within the last 10 to 12 years, a lot of the newer cars are coming out and they're like drive-by-wire, so you don't have an intermediate steering shaft, but for many years up until this point, just about all the vehicles did. So what I'm going to demonstrate to you is how to look for play and what you need to do, and when should you replace the steering shaft. But before I roll into that, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have a question, and subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss any of the great content that I have coming out. And let's get rolling on this thing. So first things first, pop the hood on your vehicle. This is an old Jeep. So there's a couple different things I need to do that. Alright. So now you have the hood open on your vehicle. You're going to go around to the driver's side. You're going to go around to the driver's side, and this is what the steering shaft looks like. So on the Wrangler here, you can see that there's like a universal joint right there, and it runs all the way down and it connects to the steering shaft, like right down here. So what happens is that over time, these U-joints on the ends of the steering shaft, they wear out and you get play. I just replaced this one, so there's no play in it. But what you typically need to do is kind of put your hand under it and see if you can wiggle it up and down. If this steering shaft wiggles up and down, quite a bit, or there seems to be quite a bit of play in it, replace it right away, because it can become a safety issue. And the last thing you need to have happen is if you're driving down the road and the shaft fails at one of those joints, and then you've lost your steering. So just kind of a quick, easy one for you guys today. Just wanted to show you what to do, what to look for, and when you should replace that intermediate steering shaft. And if you have any questions, leave a comment and sub the channel. We got a lot of great stuff coming out. Until next time, goodbye.